Good morning.
Hello, Mother.
Hi.
How are you?
Not too bad. Tired.
Yes. Well, happy Thanksgiving.
Pardon?
I had a request for you, Mother.
Yes.
We are
You want me to cackle?
Yes, how did you know? We're recording a CD, a sound effects CD for Talent Time. And nothing is more spooky than my mother's Halloween witch cackle.
I don't know if I can do it today. I've got a sore throat, but I'll try it.
Okay, don't hurt yourself, but
I'm still in bed.
okay, so maybe I should try another time.
Sorry?
Should I try another time?
Well, just give me a minute to collect myself here. Well, we can try it, and if it's so good, we can try it again, right?
Okay, yes, sounds great.
Okay.
Ready when you are.
Okay. Now you can have a laugh for the whole day.
I love it so much.
Sorry.
Well, thank you, Mummy.
Okay. I hope it turns out that we can do it again later.
Yes, I think we'll give it another try later, but I appreciate the effort, and it did sound pretty cool.
Yeah, we got that cold from the wedding, so we're both sick.
Well, I hope you feel better soon.
Me too, because I love to cackle on recording.
Yes,
But I tell you what, Paul.
What?
If I get up and have a coffee and can clear my throat, I might just call you back and cackle.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you. Well, yeah, get a little rest and get whatever, and we'll talk to you soon, Mummy.
Yes. Okay, dear. Love ya.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye.